Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll enter to the window of Netflix. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching. Goodbye.